Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to teach you how to make money on early game in Fishing Planet. So what you want to do is spawn at Rocky Lake at the top one, and you want the turtle spoon. I'll make a video on that, how to get that. And what you want to do is cast like in between these rocks and just keep casting there. You also have the chance of catching, I don't know how to pronounce the name of the trout, but I'll try to make a video on that too. So yeah, just cast here. What I usually do is either straight slow or twitch. And when it gets too high, I just let it sink. And then start it again. Oh, that fish jumped really high. Alright, well, that cast was a dud. So, another cast. So, yeah. I'm gonna see if I can catch a trout this cast. Oh, got bit. Oh, got bit again. The lag spike. Alright, this is gonna be last cast. Oh, and there's one. Got him. I wonder what kind of trout it is. Ooh, he's fighting. Come on. And I hope y'all enjoyed this. Make sure to like and subscribe. And